A bag contains 4 apples and 5 oranges. So the apples are A, oranges are O. Nathan picks a fruit from the bag and eats it. He then picks a second piece of fruit. Copy and complete the Venn tree diagram below. Find the probability that Nathan eats a different fruit or eats at least one orange. So he either has an apple or an orange. Okay, he then eats the apple here and eats the orange here. So in this case, if he eats the apple here, these will still all be out of 8. But if he's eaten the apple, there's only now 3 apples left, so that'll be 3 out of 8. But there will still be the 5 oranges in the bag for the second pick. So these represent the second pick. Now, if he was to get an orange the first time round and eats it, that means there's still 4 apples left and only 4 oranges left. Now, in order to get the probability of each thing, so the probability of an apple the first pick and an apple the second pick will be 4/9 times 3/8, which is 12 out of 72. Now, it's a good idea to just leave them as they are. Don't try to cancel them down. The probability of an apple and an orange is 4/9 times 5/8, which is 20 out of 72. And the probability of an orange and an apple is 5/9 times 4/8, which again is 20 out of 72. And the probability of an orange and an orange is 5/9 times 4/8, which is 20 out of 72. Now, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 12 makes 72 out of 72. So we know we're okay here. Right, part A, the probability he eats different fruit. So he's going to eat a different fruit here and here. So it's going to be that one and that one. So we need to add the probabilities together. Again, just use the fraction button on your calculator, and that will give you 5/9. So if you just put that in your calculator plus that will just give you the 5/9. You've got your working and your final answer. B, the probability he eats at least one orange. Now, this can be done by doing 1 minus the probability he eats no oranges. So here, he eats no oranges. Okay, so if we did 1 minus 12 over 72, and again, 1 minus, put the fraction button on your calculator, it will give you the answer as 5/6. So this has been a video to show you how to use a tree diagram to answer probability questions. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.